Here I've got Doogee X80, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad then, and let's enter the first code that I would like to show you, and it is asterisk pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got it. So now we are in Google Play Services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect and events to switch between modes. Smoothly tap on those switchers and you've got some further details. So that's it. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is asterisk pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info, so all events, celebrations, important dates that you have entered in your calendar will be right here. From now on, you will not forget about any important event. And then another code that you can use in your Doogee X80 is asterisk pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we've got testing mode performed by Google, where you can check phone information, usage statistics and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone info, you'll be able to check email number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. Also, you can run a ping test here, just click on it and here it is. So that's basically all. Let me go back. Then under usage statistics, you'll find statistics regarding your apps. They are right here. Let me go back. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA, you've got disable network, disconnected networks, enable networks, configure networks, and the whole general connection info. And Wi-Fi status hides the current status of your network. Smoothly refresh it to see. And also you can run a ping test here. So that's it. And we can go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is IMEI number info. Just enter asterisk pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, IMEI number is right in front of you. So that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Use them as often as you want to, as only you need to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.